This unit is called a rain drain. It automatically unrolls when it rains, and it rolls up when the rain stops. And basically you hook it to the bottom of your downspout coming from the roof, and when it fills up with water, it'll disperse it over the lawn rather than letting it go down by your foundation. What you have is the drain unit that coils up. You have a rubber gasket, and you have a strap that locks it into place.
Okay.
Okay, as you can see, if you look at this, we removed this section, and the water been running down by the house, which drains down below the house. So you take the gutter, and you use something to clean the bottom of the gutter off, right? Wipe it down. Then you take your rubber gasket, remove the back and front. Put it 1 inch from the bottom of the gutter. Make sure that this part goes out and slide it up on the gutter. The strap should be approximately 1 inch above the rubber gasket that you put on. Make sure you pull it tight and use a pair of pliers. Now when it rains, the rain fills this up, it will roll out. And at the end, you have some hose that disperses the water over the line. And when the rain stops, to roll back up.